Hello everyone, welcome to the fifth part in this series, an amazing series by Liz here. Absolutely great stuff. Her link is in the description below, but yes, this is our fifth principle once again. What's the title for this for this series? I can never remember it. I always get like the gist of it, but let's see. This one is all about your boost of self-love, increased joy, gain confidence for the cheap and for free. So anyway, here we are on to our fifth principle, which is basically a paid principle that, she's talking about. And this one, she says, is to indulge in a great tea, okay? And so, I mean, I think this depends on if you're a tea drinker or not. I mean, we're already talking about drinking water. How many other things are we gonna learn to drink in this video, right? Let's see. So I would say it depends on what you're a fan of drinking, what you're gonna go along with. But the principle not necessarily being about tea, but rather about your indulgence in you. Taking the time to have something that is going to be a little bit more expensive, but is going to give you that enjoyment of life kind of feeling. Okay, here are my takes on it. So I'm sorry, Liz, if I have some disagreements a little bit about tea. I mean, I have no problem with tea drinkers. I got no issues with tea besides the fact that I'm not really a big tea fan. I don't know why, I don't really like tea. I'm also not really a coffee person. I'm a water person, and beyond that, I like, good wines. But, that's just me. I guess I'm weird that way, but yeah, that's me. So, if you want to find yourself a good tea, go ahead, definitely listen to her, check out her advice on that one, because I got nothing for, what kind of teas you want to try out, because I don't know nothing about tea. Try out your favorite coffee, if you want to do that. I don't get the appeal. I'm not a coffee person. Don't need that to stay up late, but, make my mornings work. That's just me. We'll see in a few years if that's still the case. Anyway, so not really a big drink person beyond water, so I stick with the water, but indulgence in life, I can give you some stories about that one. Here's a fun one. So, I'm a pizza for breakfast guy, okay? Just end of story. Like, I can just say it like that. My favorite breakfast is pizza. If it's not pizza, it's like spaghetti and meatballs or tacos. Yeah, I know I'm weird. I don't really love breakfast foods because of the amount of sugar, the amount of that kind of like take on it. I'm not a breakfast person, overall. I can stand it, but I don't like it. So I'm a pizza person. I love to have a good pizza for breakfast. That's just me. And that's something I'll indulge in a decent amount of the time because it's something that fuels me throughout the entire day, and it's something sometimes I can make as just a one meal kind of day. I'll have, a really big breakfast and then I'm good. I'll have a snack for dinner and that's it. Can be good on your caloric intake if you want to kind of take that approach. Say what you will about the health thing. Don't do this kind of thing every day, but indulge once in a while in something that's special to you like that. So my process of making myself a nice pizza in the morning, is something that really gets me kind of just in the right mindset. Also, I always have some really great Chinese food every week. That's kind of a habit I create. I have one of my favorite dishes being crispy duck, and maybe someday I'll get to go and, I'm sure someday I will tour the world in search of the greatest duck in the world. But anyway, that sounds like a ton of fun and totally gonna do that one. But I always indulge in this great duck because it is so delicious and I love to have it every week. So take the time to spend a little bit extra money and indulge in something that's gonna make you really feel great. For Liz, I would say it's her explanation about tea. For me, I might say it's my pizza or duck. I know, I'm weird just for turning that direction, but you do you kind of thing. So yeah, anyway, here's our fifth principle. Hopefully that all makes sense. Check out Liz's channel if you have not yet, and thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time with principle 6, so stay tuned. I'll see you then.